3 great student-grade painting surfaces for beginners. This video is all about the painting surfaces that can be used for your beginner paintings. You are probably wondering, what are some options available? Which ones are more expensive and why? And what thicknesses and sizes they come in. First of all, there are many grades of canvases, and I'm going to show you the student grade specifically. These are great for beginners, and there are other distinctions within the grade. I'm going to discuss 3 types of canvases that you could start with: a canvas panel, a slim stretched canvas, and a deep stretched canvas. All of these options use the same type of cotton canvas and are triple primed, which is the first thing you want to look for, even when you're only looking for student grade. This distinction alone will save you a lot of time. Because the surface is already prepared, you can jump right into painting and skip the time-consuming step of gessoing your surface. All 3 of these are 8 inches by 11 inches and are great because that is a standard size if you want to add frames. This first one is what is called the canvas panel. It is the most inexpensive of the 3. It is made of canvas material glued and wrapped around this gessoed board. It makes a nice finished piece and requires a frame if you like that type of presentation. Fits right into an 8 by 11 frame. Unfortunately, the pressed board will deteriorate over time and may only last somewhere around 15 years, and this is not considered archival. They come in 17 sizes between 8 inches by 8 inches to 18 inches by 24, something like that. Second, we have the slim stretched canvas. Its price is double the canvas panel. It is made of 3/4 inch deep stretcher bars with canvas stretched and stapled. The staples are hidden at the back, and they can be removed to re-stretch the canvas if it ever gets saggy over time, which is a good option, but I've never ever needed to do that. You can feel and notice the heavy quality wood that the stretcher bars are made of. Cheaper versions are very easy to spot as they weigh almost nothing. There's the tiniest bit of a bevel at the back of the stretcher bar so that the canvas on the other side does not press against it. That is something to look for, as this will prevent the canvas from wearing out or fading differently from here and here. These slim stretch canvases are available in 18 sizes from 4 inches by 6 inches to 24 inches by 30 inches, so very small to quite large. I like these because you have the option to paint around the edges and create a finished piece, and you can just hang it on the wall, or you can fit it into a frame, just like the other. The third and last surface I will explain to you is the deep stretch canvas. Its price is triple the canvas panel, but as you can see, it's a completely different product altogether. It consists of the triple primed canvas stretched around 1.5 inch deep stretcher bars. Its wood quality is really nice and strong, and it has quite a bevel at the back. You can actually put your finger right into the bevel, and that sure does prevent the canvas from wearing out. So it only touches, the canvas only touches right at the corners, and the rest is all free to kind of just lay flat there. I like these canvases best because they provide such a nice wow factor as a finished piece. They stand out from the wall that they are displayed on. The extra thick bevel on the back and the weight of the piece gives the art more credibility too. Buying tips. You get the best value if you buy these in bulk at your art store or on Amazon. Your local art store will usually feature one specific size and type every few weeks with a sale price, which is a great time to stock up.
We go through life with such hope. We want what we want, and that's all. But we have to try for what we